Yeah. Okay, so let me show you guys something. So this video is just for you to see something about how we turned like $10 into $400, turning $10 into $400. This is possible. We have done it many times on this channel. You see? But this took only 3 days. Everything you want to do in Forex, it is possible. Everything is only by you having the knowledge. You don't have the knowledge, you can't do nothing. But when you have the knowledge, you will do everything. You will do exploit and magic. Okay? You will never even come and ask the question like, how much is it possible to come and start trading Forex? You can start trading Forex with even the smallest amount if you know your own skill. You understand? Your skill is what matters a lot. You can do anything. $10 turned into $400 within 3 days. Okay? Everything is all about the good skill that I've used to do that. Because I've done it many times, so I know how to do it. I know how to turn it to whatever it's going to be, because it's still the same strategy I use over and over again. One thing I'm going to tell guys is that look at the placement of the lot size. When you see the placement of lot size, you will realize when someone take a kind of $10 and then place in this type of lot size, you can see it's a reasonable lot size to use, although it's risky. Okay, on a $10 placing a 0.04, it's risky, but because this me, a trader who trusts myself and I trust my skill, you understand? Took only 3 days. As one give profit, I pick the next. As one give profit, I pick the next. You see? This is how to turn the $10 into $400 within 3 days, and everything is possible if you know your own skill. Your own skill is the best. On this channel, I've been talking for years about, okay, you need to know the trend of where the market is going. This is what you need to know. You need to be able to identify your support resistance zone. And you need to be able to identify where the market has made a drawdown so that you can jump into that moving trend so fast. Do you understand? Okay. So I've introduced a lot of tools that you can use that will do this for you. But I've never seen any action on those tools. But I've seen many people losing, struggling, and still pretending as if they are winning. But still, they can't show the win. On this channel, I've shown the win a lot of times. This is another win. Those days when we used to turn like $500 into 7,000, maybe 100 into 500 within 3 days, within 2 days. But now we have turned $10 into $400 within just 3 days. That shows how strong the skill has become. You understand? So, as you being there, that you feel like this has inspired you and you feel like you really want to know something about the trend of this market, where the market is going, but if you stand in front of your chart, you cannot even identify it. But under this video, I'm gonna put one link. That link is gonna throw you down to the tool that I use when I got started in Forex. That is the tool that opened my eyes, and this is why I've been talking about that tools over and over again. Go through all my video, you will see that tool link is in all my video, because that is the tool I was using from day one. One thing about Forex is that you must get used to whatever you are using. You must get used to your own skill. Whatever you are using that makes your own life analysis very easy, go with it. Go with it. Don't separate from it. Okay? When you lose and you lose, don't blame the tool. Figure out why you are losing and blame yourself. Correct your mistakes. Keep moving. You will be able to do this thing that I've done. Okay? If you are the one, you want to study your chart and you want to know where is the trend going, look, the link is under this video. If this video has inspired you and you want to go away from those who are still struggling and pretending, check out the link under this video.